Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ladonia local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Ladonia moving company, you should look for movers you can trust. 3 Movers is not only affordable, but also one of the most trustworthy moving companies available. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services. Whether you want a basic move or a full-service move, we can help. Our team of movers will help ensure your long-distance move is customized to fit your need with the following options. Packing services. We do the packing and unpacking for you and save you a ton of time. Moving supplies. Use our moving supplies to better protect all your things. An on-time move. Our movers are never late, and we never delay your moving day. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us is accurate and gives you the cost you need for your budget. Licensed and insured. Everything is well protected when you trust us with your long-distance move. It doesn't matter if you're moving one state over or across the country. We can make it easier. Our team is dedicated to providing incredibly professional services for your move. When it's time to relocate, trust us to make the moving process easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ladonia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.